I'm Martin Hargreaves, Chief Product Officer at Quant, and I'm excited to tell you about our product, Overledger. Overledger is the world's leading operating system to deliver universal distributed ledger interoperability. Overledger is the enterprise solution that lets customers get the most out of their distributed ledger investments. Digital ledger technologies such as blockchain are new, disruptive, and exciting. They store and transact all kinds of digital assets, from money to contracts, ownership rights, manufacturing and shipping data, and more. But there are some drawbacks. DLTs today are where traditional databases were in the early days, where each one was proprietary. Applications written for one wouldn't work with another one, and trying to have an application that used data from more than one type was really expensive and difficult. Today, applications on DLTs are difficult to write, and every DLT has its own programming language, its own logic, consensus algorithms, and it needs its own individual support. It's incredibly hard to move assets between them. Overledger provides a single API for any DLT. At Quant, we have a team of talented PhDs and engineers who have built our patent-pending solution for DLT interconnectivity. And together with a highly experienced management team from some of the most critical sectors, such as cybersecurity, financial services, healthcare and government, ensure our product is bulletproof and is production ready. Overledger provides a full enterprise platform with an API gateway, a developer portal, access controls, security and connectivity to all types of DLTs. Recent years have seen massive advances in permissioned and permissionless distributed ledger technologies such as blockchain, DAG and Tempo. The result is a significant shift in the way that individuals and organizations connect and interact with each other, enabling them to exchange information and assets more securely, simply and cost-effectively. Quant is leading the DLT interoperability space with experience, innovation, and open standards. The CEO of Quant, Gilbert Verdian, saw the potential of DLT early on and established the blockchain ISO standard, TC307, in 2015 to enable enterprise adoption through common protocols and standards. And today, there are 57 countries and organizations who are actively working on blockchain standards. We continue to innovate at the forefront of DLT interoperability. Our R&D team has links with leading academics, and we take their wholly new inventions into our enterprise-ready product. Our technology unlocks the true value of DLTs and has game-changing implications for the world of distributed ledgers. Our solution is secure, simple, and cost-efficient, without the need for any new infrastructure or introducing new bottlenecks. By removing the barriers to interoperability, Overledger helps enterprises create a whole new world of possibility. By connecting all major DLTs and other networks through a single secure API, we enable financial institutions and businesses to access digital assets and integrate their existing systems and business applications with any supported permissioned and permissionless DLT, and to bridge internal networks with other internal or external DLTs. They can set up trading relationships or consortia quickly and easily, or monetize their services and data assets for use in Overledger applications. The result is a level of connectivity that delivers massive benefits by facilitating enterprise access to new markets and new users across all distributed ledgers and other systems, without compromising corporate security policies or regulation. It also creates new revenue streams by making in-house DLT assets available to third parties through a controlled and secure platform. So what's different about Quant? We deliver universal interoperability, currently enabling the simple, secure and cost-effective connection of all major DLTs. Overledger's highly modular framework provides a roadmap for universal interoperability through the continuous addition of more DLT and API connectors. All connectors are based on a single standards-aligned API, and most DLT actions are available simply through the selection of the DLT type, with no other changes needed. Overledger also supports functionality that's unique to specific DLTs, using the same API and standards-aligned messaging format. We're enterprise-oriented, developed by a team highly experienced in enterprise security and nationally critical systems. Overledger is fully compliant with the highest levels of regulation, providing the levels of security and resilience required by international organizations and governments. Built around the needs of large enterprises, Overledger is extremely easy to install through simple integration with existing technology stacks and processes, and it's designed to integrate easily into any IT operation, however large and complex. Overledger enables organizations to simply and cost-effectively adapt to changing needs by making existing systems available to next-generation applications and by facilitating easy migration to new or more appropriate DLTs without the need to rewrite the DLT applications. Fully aligned with current and emerging ISO DLT interoperability standards, a program led by Quant Gilbert Verdian, Overledger ensures any infrastructure it supports conforms to the latest international industry standards. Continuously evolving to deploy the latest innovations, Overledger is a unique solution to DLT interoperability, which provides users with a real and significant competitive advantage. We're working with a number of clients and partners today, including integrating Overledger into a 580-node interbank network across Europe to enable multi-chain applications for European banks and financial institutions. We're a founding member of the EU's International Association of Trusted Blockchain Applications, which brings together industry, startups and SMEs, policymakers, international organizations, regulators, civil society and standard-setting bodies to scale up DLT across multiple sectors across the EU. We were recognized by Gartner as a cool vendor in 2019, and we're a member of Oracle's global startup and fintech ecosystems, as well as an Amazon Web Services technology partner. Quant connects all of the world's distributed ledgers for faster, more efficient growth and brings interoperability to DLTs. Overledger is the enterprise platform for blockchains and other DLTs. And Quant is leading the connectivity revolution.